Just a few closing remarks as we near the end of the semester. Wonderful postings this past week, but also all throughout the course. I've been really impressed with your usage of the comment press utility. I think this is the first class that's used it at its full function, and you really embraced the possibilities of how to interact. And I really appreciate that. Your postings have been really informative to me. They've helped me think about things differently and review other readings that I hadn't found yet, a couple of which I've all through the semester been keeping a list of readings that you all discovered that I might consider adding to the course reading list or replacing some of what's on there. So thank you for helping me make the course better. I think one of the things I really enjoyed the most about this course is the way that we did our position paper and infographic. So for whatever reason, this time around in the review process was really great. So I think it gave you an experience as an author of what to expect when you submit an article. So you'll get back those two or three blind peer reviews when you submit an article, and you'll experience very much what you experienced this time around, that some are more informative than others. Some have, sometimes the reviews correspond with each other and they both point out suggested revisions, but also that they each have their own unique stance, and you have to sort of figure out which pieces are you going to decide to incorporate into an edit. So that's exactly what a process looks like when you submit an article. So when you submit an article, in which I hope you do at some point in your careers, you've experienced it already. You know what to expect. So I found that really rewarding. I was excited to see how that played out. I think that's all. I just altered the schedule, so I realized that I didn't post anything about what a final reflection should look like and what that means. I'm not going to require it because it was never on the schedule. That's a misstep on my part. But if you are interested in sharing with me, or sharing with the class through the P2P press, things that you enjoyed about the class, what you didn't, what you learned, what you wish was different. Of course, you can do this through the SLIS, sorry, I'm used to calling it SLIS, the D-list, so Department of Library and Information Science evaluation form, course evaluation form. You can do that there as well, and I encourage you to do so. But if you are interested in sharing that through the press, the P2P press site, I would appreciate that as well. But absolutely not required. So just tag, if you decide to do that, just tag it as final reflection. That is a tag category that you can use. And finally, so this is the third year that I've been collecting some data to potentially write an article about this course. I'm not quite sure exactly what I'm going to write about yet. So I have 3 courses worth of material of interaction through the P2P press. Some ideas I've had are writing about teaching scholarly communication, because this is a newer course. And then also potentially just teaching a course using this alternate format for interacting, so the P2P press, regardless of content, using that format for interacting. I'll let you know when it happens, so I do intend to do that, and thank you for all of you. I think everyone responded to the request that to participate in that study, meaning for me to use your postings in that study. I hope your break is well. Please keep in touch. I love to hear what you're doing professionally and through the rest of school, and I'm here, so get a hold of me if you need to. Thanks. Have a great break.